drove up to the restaurant where they used to dine. He's sitting at the table with someone new this time. She woke up right beside him. Her face did not turn red. She looked at him so calmly, and this is what you said. Good as I was to you, is this the things I get of all the years we shared? So easy to forget. That this mean that you won? Are you finally having fun? Is she a dream come true? Oh, she sure looks good, but she won't ever be good as I was to you. The room got awfully quiet, and everybody's there. Finally, the waiter said, should I bring another chair? She said, no, I was just leaving. But as she walked out door, she said, honey, you can have him. I don't want him anymore. Good as I was to you, is this the things I get of all the years we shared? So easy to forget. Is this the way it's done? Looking out for number one, did you think it's true? Oh, she sure looks good, but she won't ever be good as I was to you. Does this mean that you won? Are you finally having fun? Is she a dream come true? Oh, she sure looks good, but she won't ever be good as I was to you. Good as I was to you.